Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EA&Weather here with a severe weather update. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses the eastern half of the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, southeastern Georgia, and the southeastern half of South Carolina. And we have a marginal today that covers parts of north central Florida, very far north central South Carolina, the eastern two-thirds of North Carolina, the eastern half of Virginia, Washington, D.C., central and eastern Maryland, all of Delaware, far southeastern Pennsylvania, and the southern half of New Jersey. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses northern Florida, the eastern half of the Florida Panhandle, southeastern Georgia, the southeastern half of South Carolina, the eastern half of North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, eastern Maryland, most of Delaware, and south central New Jersey. Going to the wind for today, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today that encompasses the eastern half of the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, southeastern Georgia, and the southeastern half of South Carolina. And we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today that encompasses parts of north central Florida, far north central South Carolina, the eastern two-thirds of North Carolina, the eastern half of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, far southeastern Pennsylvania, and the southern half of New Jersey. And finally, the hail threat, which we do not have. There is no hail threat today. So, going to the summary for today, scattered damaging winds and a brief tornado or two remain possible through about midday from North Florida to parts of South Carolina. Isolated damaging winds and a brief tornado may also occur northward into parts of the mid-Atlantic region through the afternoon. So, that's all I got for today. Tomorrow is done with thunderstorms, so I'm not gonna. Well, actually, there's no thunderstorms at all. There's no thunderstorms at all tomorrow, and for day 3, yes, there's a marginal risk on Tuesday in the south on Tuesday, but I'm not gonna I can't have a video on Tuesday because, on Tuesday that's my earliest day for school, so I won't have time to do a video on Tuesday. So, if SPC Convective Outlook does not lose power, or if he gets it back by tomorrow night, then I'll share his video on Tuesday morning. But again, there's a possibility of high winds in our region and his area too, today and tomorrow. So he may lose power, we'll see. But hopefully he doesn't. But anyway, if he does lose power, I hope he gets it back by tomorrow night because I will not be able to have a video on Tuesday since, again, I have to get up at 5:30 for school on Tuesday, and I won't have time to do a video on Tuesday. So stay safe in the affected areas today, and I will see. And if there's marginal or higher on Wednesday, then I'll have a video on Wednesday. But anyway, stay safe. Take care.